Juggling separate personal and professional files just got a whole lot easier by mastering multiple Dropbox accounts on your computer. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly use 2 Dropbox accounts together, streamlining your digital life for maximum productivity. The simplest method is using Dropbox's built-in feature to add a second account first. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website sign out of your current account if you're already logged in. You'll then see a login page where you can enter the credentials for your other Dropbox account. Once logged in with this second account, you'll have 2 separate browser tabs or windows, each managing a different Dropbox. For even better integration, the official Dropbox desktop application offers a fantastic solution if you already have the desktop app installed for one account. Simply go into its preferences or settings. You'll find an option to link another account. Click this, and you'll be prompted to sign in with the credentials of your second Dropbox account. Once linked, your computer's File Explorer will now display 2 separate Dropbox folders. One for each account. You can rename these folders for even clearer identification, like Dropbox Personal and Dropbox Work. This allows you to drag and drop files between your personal and professional storage seamlessly, without ever needing to log in and out of the web interface. Best practice is to create distinct folder structures within each Dropbox to avoid accidental mixing of files. For instance, keep all your vacation photos in your personal Dropbox and all your project documents in your work account. Remember, while you can access both simultaneously, they remain entirely separate storage spaces. You can't directly merge files between them through the application. But this dual access makes file management incredibly efficient. So, start organizing your digital life more effectively today and unlock a new level of productivity by mastering your multiple Dropbox accounts.